simple recipe for a delicious cherry cake. Ingredients: 1½ cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, half a teaspoon salt, half cup unsalted butter. Soften 1 cup granulated sugar, 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, half cup milk, 1 cup fresh cherries, pitted and halved powdered sugar for dusting. Instructions: preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Grease and flour an 8-inch square baking pan. In a medium bowl, whisk together flour, baking powder, and salt. In a large bowl, cream the butter and sugar until light and fluffy. Add eggs one at a time, beating after each addition. Stir in vanilla extract. Add the dry ingredients to the butter mixture alternately with the milk, starting and ending with the dry ingredients. Fold in the cherries gently. Pour the batter into the prepared pan and smooth the top with a spatula. Bake for 40 to 45 minutes, or a toothpick in the center comes out clean. Let cake cool in the pan for 10 minutes before removing it to a wire rack. Dust with powdered sugar.